I'm Myron Ferguson, that drywall guy. I've been in the drywall business for over 30 years. I'm here to tell you about Ad4's high-performance drywall tapes for the professional and the do-it-yourselfer. Self-adhesive mesh drywall tape eliminates blisters and bubbles, saves on application and drying time, and creates stronger joints. Let me show you how easy it is to install. The mesh tape is applied over the seam before any compound. Because it's self-adhesive, it easily sticks in place over the seam. I usually take my taping knife and make sure it's embedded tightly. And then we're ready to coat with a layer of compound. When this coat of joint compound dries, we're going to be ready to apply the fill coat over this seam. But I'm going to apply the fill coat now, even though it isn't dry, just because I want to show you how easy it is to apply. What the fill coat does, it widens the seam out just a little bit and hides the tape. When the fill coat is dry, you're going to lightly sand and apply a very thin finish coat. Then once that finish coat dries, lightly sand again and you're ready for drywall primer.